It's AI Seth. I asked the real Seth to describe today's lesson in one sentence, and he talked for 6 minutes, which is funny because today's whole lesson is about not doing that. Here's the problem I'm solving for you today. Last week, you got the biggest thing right. Your headline named their problem, and a stranger stopped. Then their eye dropped one line to find out what you're actually offering, and it hit a wall of words, and they left. You won the stop and lost them at the very next line. Now here's what's possible instead. Same stop, but this time their eye drops to your offer line and lands on something tight, something that makes them want to see more. One move today. And I'm going to show it to you on screen on real ads so you can see it work, not just take my word for it. Watch the screen with me. Last week, we looked at the biggest text on the image, the headline, the why. Today, watch the line sitting right under it. That second line is your offer line. It's the what. It tells a stranger what the thing actually is. A book, a class, a free guide, a service. And it's the exact spot where almost everyone and every AI tool throws the sale away. Here's the mistake on screen. Same fitness offer twice. Look at the left one. The offer line is trying to explain everything. A comprehensive 12-module program covering mobility, strength, and recovery with bonus materials. Watch your own eye. It got tired before it reached the end. Now the right one. Same product, one line, the 5-minute morning routine. You knew what it was instantly and you wanted it. The left explains, the right teases. That is the whole lesson and you just watched it happen on your own eye. So burn this in. Do not explain the offer. Tease it. Tight beats complete. Now watch it again across the same businesses we looked at last week. Straight out of the book this is built on. Same rule every time. Here's the weight loss ad twice. On the left, the offer drowns. There's a wall of copy where the offer line should be and no single line your eye can grab. On the right, one short teased line steps down under the headline with one quiet button below it. Same product, same price. The only thing that changed is that somebody had the nerve to cut. One is a wall, the other is a doorway. Here's the skincare brand. On the left, the offer is a list of every ingredient floating there for a reader who will never read it. On the right, the product teased in a single line. Notice what happened. They stopped describing the cream and started making you want it. Here's the financial advisor. On the left, the middle of the ad is a paragraph about their process, their credentials, their philosophy. On the right, one line naming the thing you actually get. The paragraph made them trust nothing. The one line made them lean in. Look at all three right-hand versions together for a second. Every one of them says less than the version beside it, and every one of them pulls harder. That is not a coincidence you're seeing. That is the rule. Here's why it works, and watch the headline while I say it. Every extra word you pack into the offer line is a word stolen from the headline above it. The headline is what earned the stop in the first place. So when you bloat the offer line, look what happens on screen. The whole image gets heavier, and the eye, which had already stopped, gives up and moves. You didn't add information, you subtracted attention from the one line that was working. Think of it the way the image already works on a stranger. Your headline is the door that gets them to stop and put a hand on the handle. Your offer line is the one glimpse through the doorway that makes them want to step inside. You do not hand a stranger the blueprints of the whole house on the porch. You give them one look at the thing they came for, and you let the wanting pull them in. Now here's where AI comes in, because this is a channel about writing with AI, not around it. Watch this. I asked AI to write the offer line for that fitness ad, and here's what it gave me, live on screen. Every feature it could find, packed into one long line, because it was trying to be complete. That's the 12-module version, and AI hands it to you every single time. And it isn't a bug you can prompt away. AI was raised on writing that rewards thoroughness, the report that covers everything, the description that leaves nothing out. Completeness is AI's native tongue. Selling is the opposite. Selling is the art of what you leave off. So AI will pull you toward the long version every time, and the fix was never a better prompt. Watch me do the fix on screen right now. I highlight the whole bloated line, and I cut until one tease is left standing. That's you being the writer, and AI just holding the pen. And notice this is the same move you worked on in the mindset lesson this week, now up on the screen. Saying the one plain thing out loud, that is this line. Your offer line is the one plain thing. Sized down and set under your headline, telling a stranger what you've got without drowning it. And when someone gets what you're offering in a single glance and wants it, you didn't argue them into it. You teased, and the wanting did the rest. That's the quiet kind of authority again. It never has to explain itself to be believed. One last thing, and it's about size. So watch the two lines on screen. The headline towers, the offer line steps down underneath it, smaller, tighter, quieter, and that's on purpose. Watch what happens when I make the offer line as big as the headline. Now they fight, Your eye bounces between them and lands on neither. Shrink it back, and the order returns. Biggest is the problem. A step down is the thing. Read in order, no thinking required. So that's your rep before the next lesson. Go pull up your own ad or your own sales page and look only at the line right under your headline. Read it once. If it lists features, if it needs a comma and then another comma and then with bonus materials, it's the 12 module version and it's stealing from the line that earned the stop. Cut it until it teases. Cut it until a stranger reads it and wants to see what's on the other side of the door without you having shown them the whole house. Because next time, we do the last of the three things, the how. It's the one almost everybody leaves off, and it's the one that turns all of this into an actual click. You can stop a stranger cold with your headline. You can make them want the thing with your offer line, and they will still do absolutely nothing unless you make the next move plain. I'll show you how, and I'll show you on screen next time.